What's up you guys? So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Off-White Air Jordan 4 in the Sail colorway. So these are set to release on the 25th for a retail price of $200 on the Nike sneakers app. But just in case you miss out and you don't want to pay resale, I got a crazy high quality replica to show you guys. I'll leave a link to them in the description below. So let's just go ahead and check these out. So for the box, we have the normal Jordan 4 box with a bunch of random holes everywhere. And these holes have little plastic pieces, so it's not like an actual hole you can put your finger through. So as you guys know, this is a woman's colorway. Right here, I have a 10 in a size women's, which is an 8.5 men, which is my size. So as you take this lid off, you're greeted with the Off-White branded plastic. And as you know, with the normal Jordan 4s, you have like that trash bag material. So once you get the plastic out the way, you're greeted with the Jordan 4s. I'm gonna say it now, top 5 Off-White Jordan they've released. Let's go ahead and get into the details of this sneaker. Bam, here they are guys, the Jordan 4 in all its glory. As you can see with all Off-White Nike collaborations, you have the zip tie here. Now this matches the sneaker here, it's in the Sail colorway. Usually the tag is in red, but I'm glad they went with the Sail. Matches the whole vibe. And with this sneaker here, you have the Jordan hang tag. So starting off with the body of the sneaker, you have this nice Sail suede. And then for the wing, they made it translucent, which is a nice touch. They could have added another hit of white with the wing, but I'm glad they went with the translucent look. And on the back of the sneaker, you have the translucent back tab. Now personally, I like when the Jumpman is on the back tab, but I can't be mad with the Nike Air. On the toe box, you have this material here. I don't really know what you would call it, but it's also in that Sail. And on the top of that, it has like the raw edges, which obviously Off-White is known for. I think they use the same material on the Off-White 5s, and you can see that same material on the tongue with the Jumpman in black behind it. You have these Sail laces, which would be cool to see a lace swap on these, maybe like a white or something. That might look a little weird, but I think it'll give off a different vibe. Underneath the laces, you have the white netting, and you can also see more of that white netting on both sides of the sneakers. Of course, it's not an Off-White without the Air in quotation marks, and you can also see more Off-White branding inside the netting on the other side of the sneaker. They also have a white air bubble with this sneaker here. Can't go wrong with that. And then that little white hit on the midsole, I think really sets the shoe apart, really makes it stand out. On the outsole, you have a normal Jordan 4 outsole here. You have a couple different shades of Sail. So clean outsole, you got the little hit of white on there. Can't go wrong with it. And then getting to the top of the sneaker here, as with all Off-White Nike collabs, you have the unfinished collar here. The inside is super padded. It's going to be a nice comfortable sneaker to rock around if you can get your hands on them. And on the inside of the tongue, you have the white Air Jordan patch upside down, of course. So these came with 3 laces here. You have the black lace, another Sail lace, and this mint color here, which matches the outsole. On the insole of the sneaker, you just have the normal Nike Air branding. Nothing too crazy there. All around, just a solid sneaker here. Virgil actually killed it with this one here. I love the Jordan 4. Definitely one of the best Jordan silhouettes. I just wonder why they went with a women's sneaker here. It could have definitely been a men's. But regardless, men are definitely going to fit their foot in this one here. It's a must. So like I said, July 25th for $200 on the Nike sneakers app. Hopefully you get lucky. You never know with the raffles. Hopefully you get that dub. So let me know what you guys think about this sneaker here in the comments below. Are you copping or are you dropping? Resale isn't too crazy. I mean, right now at least, I think the stock for these is gonna be pretty high. I mean, high compared to the other releases. So you never know, you can get lucky, but these are definitely up there for sneaker of the year. So I'm gonna leave a link to these in the description below. Go ahead and check them out, you won't regret it. Anyway guys, that's it for me. Leave a like on this video, it helps me out a ton. A lot of you guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed, so hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed already. Appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.